investing, I just want to share with you kung ano yung mga ways on how to increase your income. So number one is check with your supervisor or HR or manager or coworker kung magkano yung usual annual increase sa company nyo. Remember yung sa akin dati, tinanong ko, sabi 15,000 na daw yung ceiling. Wala, nag-resign talaga ako and I had to find another job. So number two is check if there is a different industry that you can try. Kasi before I tried healthcare, so 15,000 per month, and then nag-financial account ako, naging 25,000 yung basic ko, plus bonuses. The option is you may wanna check if there's an incentive that you can get kapag nag-perform ka ng mabuti. Number 4 is ask for a raise. Kapag mga 3%, I would suggest you may wanna look for, number 5, side hustle. Dati binigyan ako ng 3% increase. So, ginawa ko, kumuha na lang ako ng additional side hustle na ginagawa ko 1 hour before or 1 hour after ng shift ko. And I was able to get around 10,000 to 50,000 per month. And then lastly, you may want to sell something, mga bagay na di mo ginagamit. Or kapag may bonus, you can use that as a capital for you to sell something. I understand na lahat ng sinabi ko ay mahirap na option. Some of them are time consuming, pero it's really up to you kung ano yung diskarte. Basta try your best to increase your income. Para in the future, you can invest something for yourself.